Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, and so that's where the red line here is coming from. But want to get the analysis updated here. As, pretty rough opening 30 minutes. It gapped up and then fell all the way down. To give some credit where credit's due, the bleeding finally did stop, and then the price spent the rest of the day just going sideways here. Still a rough overall day, but given the amount of bearish momentum it had during that first 30 minutes, I would argue the bulls actually, recovered nicely just to get, things consolidating in the sideways direction here. And that's also prompted, one of the newer areas of support that stands out, and that is right here. Well, not necessarily new area, but one that's kind of been confirmed now, right here around $21.50. If you take a quick trip down memory lane here, you can see that this acted as support here, and then you fast forward to the opening 30 minutes and once again acted as support. So that's definitely going to be a key level to keep an eye on, right around 21.50. If the price cannot hold above 21.50, then the next level that would not be shocking at all to see the price go down and test is that pink line there, which is the very famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that from a long perspective at least, when the price is up above there, you want to see the price stay above it. So, I'm not saying the price is even going to head down and test 21.50, but 21.50 and then the 200 period are certainly the key levels of support going forward. As far as areas of resistance, overall one still up here at the 22.75 mark, but in the more near term, seems to be a little miniature kind of trendline resistance that's formed right there. So essentially, before talking about doing battle with 22.75 up there, that red line, it appears that the first break of resistance that's going to need to occur is via this trend line right here. So overall, not the greatest start to the day, but the bulls did recover nicely and created some good sideways price action. So we'll see if this is kind of the bottoming out phase or not.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.